Cali beach body, bearing skin I love. Even though natty country has a bare skin rub. Southern charm got her arm in a lock with mine. Kentucky fat chicks talking greasy all the time. She thinks she too good, she thinks she dope. But if she thought them things, she be right about both. She came to UK screaming cats all day. Bled blue since she used to watch Tayshaun play. Love the colors in the trees when the leaves would fall. In the south getting high like cholesterol. My kinfolk would tease her best of all about her West Coast shakes made of vegetables. Talking hella proper like reading the teleprompter. Long ass days looking fly as a helicopter. But on final descent, bad news was sent. Not a Hollywood divorce, but a bluegrass split, and she went.
She said that she was going home to South California. That's where she came from.
Hey yo, I met her on the corner of Abbot Kinney and Venice. She said her life was a movie and finding me was the premise. Taught about love, she was willingly my apprentice. Sex like a drug, she played the role of a chemist. Supplying me with a feeling I never thought I could fathom. Cupid shot me right in the chest with his golden handgun, point blank. Joint full of dank in the left palm. Riding in my lady friend's car, coming down Crenshaw. Cruising through the city, bumping Biggie, doing 60 in a residential. You got me feeling like heaven sent you. So forget the rumors and what all your jealous friends do. Always put my lady first, I'm so presidential. She's picture perfect with a small frame, but she had to fly back south when the fall came. I got the feeling that she might have had another. She'll be gone till June, but she's mine for the summer because
she said that she was